morning to everybody. So yesterday I asked you to solve some questions, that is I sent on worksheet. Okay, so today we will discuss the solution for those questions. First question is factorize x cube minus x square minus 3x the whole square minus 8 times of x square minus 3x minus 20. Am I right? Now here it is a quadratic polynomial, so you will get how many factors you will get? 2 factors you will get. So before that you have to consider, like, let x square minus 3x is equal to, take some substitution, I am taking it as x, so therefore x square minus 3x the whole square will become as a square. You need not to expand. If you are expanding, it will be difficult for you to factorize. So take the substitution, x square minus 3x, x square minus 3x is the, so take, let x square minus 3x is equal to what? A. So it can be written as a square minus 8a minus 20. Am I right here? Yes. Now what is the product of the two integers? Product of the two integers is minus 20 and sum of the two integers is what? Minus 8. So you can take like minus 10 plus 2. Am I right? Minus into plus is minus, 10 to the 20. So when we are adding, we are getting like minus 8. So splitting the middle term, a square minus 10a plus 2a minus 20. Now you can take a commoners outside, then it will be a minus 10. Take 2 commoners outside, then a minus 10. Then again you can take a minus 10 commoners outside, so a minus 10 into a plus 2. So what is the value of a? We took it as x square minus 3x, therefore x square minus 3x minus 10 into x square minus 3x plus 2. These are the two factors for the given polynomial. Are you getting there? Yes. So we move to the next part. The next part is factorize a power 7 minus ab power 6. Second question is a power 7 minus ab power 6. A power 7 minus ab power 6. So first you can take a commoners outside, that is a is a common factor for these two terms, so it will become a power 6 minus b power 6. A power 6 minus b power 6. Now this a power 6 can be written as a square the whole cube minus b square the whole cube. Otherwise you can write a cube the whole square minus b cube the whole square also you can write. Okay, am I right here? Yes. Now it is in the form of a cube minus b cube. So we know that x cube minus y cube means what? X cube minus y cube. X minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Here x means what? A square. Y means what? B square. So these can be written as x minus y, that is a square minus b square into a square the whole square plus a square into b square plus b square the whole square. That means a into, it is in the form of a square minus b square, so you can write as a plus b into a minus b, then a plus b into a minus b into a power 4 plus a square b square plus b power 4. Am I right here? Yes. Then shall we move to the next question? What is the next question? Factorize x square plus 12x by 35 plus 1 by 35. Third question is x square plus 12x by 35 plus 1 by 35. Am I right? Yeah. How will you do that? The product of the two integers should be what? 1 by 35 and sum of the two integers should be what? 12 by 35. Otherwise better what you can take? You can take the LCM for that. That is p of x, that is equal to, that is given. So p of x is equal to, LCM is 35. So 35x square plus 12x plus 35. 12x plus 1 by 35. That means 1 by 35 into 35x square plus 12x plus 1. Here now we obtain the quadratic polynomial. Now you can factorize the quadratic polynomial as usual by using splitting the middle term. The product of the two integers should be 35 and then sum of the two integers is what? Plus 12 here. I think so. Then plus 5 plus 7 you can take. Am I right here? Yes. So 1 by 35. So 12x can be written as 5x plus 7x. 5x plus 7x plus 1. And now 1 by 35 into, take 5x commoners outside. If you are taking 5x commoners outside, then it will be 7x plus 1. From these last two terms, take 1 commoners outside. That is 1 times of 7x plus 1. That means 1 by 35 into, take 7x plus 1 commoners outside, 7x plus 1 into 5x plus 1. Am I right? So which is the required factors for the given polynomial. If you want, then you can divide 35 inside, otherwise you can leave it. Am I right here? Yes. Now, shall we move to the next question? The next question is, what is the fourth question? Yes. A plus B plus C the whole square. Fourth question is, A plus B plus C the whole square minus of A minus B plus C the whole square. You don't use A square minus B square and all. Okay, you can use, if you want, then you can use A square minus B square, that is A plus B into A minus B. Otherwise, use the identity A plus B plus C the whole square. Here A plus B plus C the whole square, then you can do that. Am I right? Okay, just we will expand. We will use the identity A plus B plus C the whole square here. Then you will get like A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. Am I right here? Yes. Now minus of A minus B plus C the whole square, that is A square plus B square plus C square, because here we are squaring the terms here, then it will be always positive. Then minus 2AB minus 2BC plus 2CA. Now what you can do? Just to multiply the minus sign inside, that is A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA minus A square minus B square minus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC minus 2CA. Now A square you can cancel, B square minus B square you can cancel, C square minus C square you can cancel, then plus 2CA minus 2CA you can cancel, then 2AB plus 2AB, 4AB, BC plus BC, 2BC, sorry 4BC, 2AB plus 2AB, 4AB, 2BC plus 2BC, 4BC. Am I right? Here what you can do, you can take 4B commoners outside, then it will be A plus C. Am I right here? Otherwise what you can do, it is in the form of A square minus B square. It is in the form of what? A square minus B square, that is A plus B plus C the whole square minus of A minus B plus C the whole square. Consider the whole thing is x, it is y, x square minus y square. Then it will be x plus y into x minus y, that is A plus B plus C plus A minus B plus C, that is x plus y into x minus y, that is A plus B plus C minus of A minus B plus C. Am I right here? Yes. Now here what you can do, minus B plus B you can cancel, A plus A is what? 2A, C plus C is what? 2C. Am I right? Yes. So 2A plus 2C here into here A plus B plus C minus A plus B minus C. Am I right? Plus A minus A you can cancel, plus C minus C you can cancel, so 2B then. Take 2 commoners outside, A plus C into 2B, multiply this one, 2 2s are 4 into AB plus BC. Am I right here? Otherwise 4B into A plus C. So either you can use the identity either x square minus y square, otherwise x plus y plus z the whole square. Okay. Okay. Then look at the question number 5. Simplify x cube plus 1 into x power 6 minus x cube plus 1. Question number 5. Question number 5. Simplify x cube plus 1 into x power 6 minus x cube plus 1. Am I right here? Okay. Now you can write like x cube plus 1 into x power 6 can written as x cube the whole square minus x cube into 1. This 1 can be written as 1 square. So it is in the form of a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. That is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. That means a cube plus b cube. It is identity of what? A cube plus b cube. Here what is a? Instead of a, x cube. Therefore x cube the whole cube plus b cube, that is 1 cube. It is nothing but x to the power 3 3 how much? 9. X power 9 plus 1. Are you getting there? X power 9 plus 1. Use the identity a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Am I right? Yes. Now, okay, in the next video we will continue from question number 6. Thank you everybody. Thank you.